what's up you guys? Installing a trailer hitch on your Toyota Rav4 can take you to some really cool places, like biking, camping, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down this install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. To start, we're going to lower our exhaust. It's held in by 3 rubber hangers. There's one right here on the driver's side, one here on the passenger side, and one here right down the middle. Now, when we remove those, there will be nothing to support our exhaust, so we're going to secure it using a support strap. We're just going to wrap it around the exhaust down here and this cross member so we can safely bring it down. So with our exhaust supported with that strap, we're going to remove all 3 of those grommets. We're going to use exhaust removal pliers. If you don't have them, you can just use a pry bar. And some of these hangers are pretty tight, so we're going to spray it with some soapy water to help loosen it up. And then we'll just lower it onto our support strap. Now on the driver's side, on the outside of the frame rail, we have 2 stickers that we're going to remove. These are covering the weld nuts that we'll be using to attach our hitch. We're just going to use a flathead screwdriver just to scrape it off. And then we'll repeat the same process on the passenger side. Now we're going to line up our hitch into place. We're going to line up the 2 holes on the side of our hitch with the 2 weld nuts that we exposed by taking off those stickers on both sides of our vehicle. Now we're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack to hold this into place. If you don't have a hitch jack, we do recommend that you get an extra set of hands as this hitch is pretty heavy. So now we're ready to bring all of our bolts into place now that our hitch is lined up. For each weld nut, we have a bolt and conical tooth washer. We just want to make sure that the teeth on this are facing towards the hitch. Now the passenger side is really tight, so I recommend that you do the driver's side first, which will help hold the hitch into place as you're putting the bolts in on the passenger side. Now we're ready to tighten and torque all of our bolts to the manufacturer's specification. Now we're going to be using a 19mm socket for all of our bolts, but there's not enough room on the passenger side to bring a socket into place. So you'll need to use a crow's foot adapter, a 19mm size, to be able to tighten those up. Now that we have our hitch installed, we're going to reattach our exhaust with those 3 hangers. So with our hitch installed, we pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 4 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 12.5 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories, such as a bike rack and cargo carrier. So that wraps up our install and our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.